So we did a survey online and we asked all of you guys to get involved and let us know what you wanted me to show you how to cook. And all the gents said stir fry. So here's how to make a simple, basic stir fry.
Coat a pan with a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna go in with a little bit of red onion and some garlic. Sweat out those onions about 5 minutes. Add in your julienne carrots, peppers, cabbage, and some mushrooms, and toss that all in that oil to get that flavor going. Don't forget to season with a bit of salt and pepper, and then we go in with the vegetables that we still want to have a little bit of crunch. Snap peas, little millies.
All right, fellas, we're getting there. Cook like a man, we're growing. This is episode 6, we're on stir fries. We are holding it down better and better every day. We have made our basic stir fries. Now, how do we take this and give it a whack of flavor? We're gonna make a sauce for it. A really quick sauce that doesn't require any work. Stir fries should be done in no more than 20 minutes. So in we go with a bit of coconut milk, some diced chili, some soy sauce, and some sweet chili sauce. And then a splash of lime. And you whisk that up, simple. Take your stir fry and just add a little bit. All right, dressing number 2. We're gonna do something using orange juice. It is really good, full of flavor, and a little bit different. Orange juice, honey, tomato sauce, sesame oil, brown sugar, rice vinegar, some garlic, cornstarch, a pinch of pepper, and a pinch of salt. Easy cooking. I know you guys, you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Whisk that all together. Okay, here we go. Right, cook that for about 3 minutes, and then we plate up. All right, 2 really easy stir fries for you to make, but trust me, these are full of flavor. If you add noodles, you add noodles. I love noodles, I just didn't have noodles today. But make sure that you subscribe and tell all your friends to come and learn how to cook my favorite too. This is Cook Like a Man, and let me finish this dish off with a little bit of coriander. Peace.